If you'd like to support this channel, drink tea, follow my link, and join me over at pathofcha.com. Hi, I'm Sifu Kuttel, and in this video, we'll be working with the double Tai Chi fan. In this video, we're going to be looking at the brush knee and twist step technique with both the open and closed fan. Now, it's not that difficult considering that it is very similar to our base open hand technique. However, instead of a push with the palm up, we'll be extending the fan forward, either for a forward thrust with the closed fan or the open fan. The other main thing is we're not going to be starting up from our shoulder to extend forward. All of this will be coming from the waist. So we can really think of generating power from our waist rotation into our forward press. Now, we will be practicing both separately with the fan closed and open, but we will be working on switching from one to the other. So it is important that you're able to open the fans inward and then close the fans forward. So we'll roll the wrists. We roll, let them drop inward, turn our hands, roll, a little bit of a flick outward. And that's going to be our simple transition between these. You'll see it as we do it, so let's go get to work. We're going to begin this with the closed fan. And like I said, this is going to be very similar to our empty-handed technique, except for we're not starting with our hand next to the ear before shifting forward. We're going to keep our hands at our hips. Now, I want to take a quick second just to focus on the thrust itself. So let's do a couple of forward thrusts and maintaining intention. So start with the fans, palm up, pull back to your waist, and then we're going to work with our back foot side. We're not going to worry about our front hand to brush. I want you to shift forward and then reach forward. This is just going to maintain the same level forward. And then as we come back, we turn and we pull back, we shift our weight back, and the hand goes palm up. Rotate, palm down, rotate, palm up. Now look at a spot on the wall in the room in front of you and focus on that spot as if you're playing tug of war and you're connected to that spot. So as you shift forward, you turn and point towards it. As you shift back, you retract and pull away. Never losing that connection, okay? And back, forward, 3, back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and simple. You can even do this directly towards me. Okay, so again, same thing, bow stance, we'll do the other side, shift back, palms up, shift forward, palm down, pointing the finger over the top. And back, forward, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. Now, that's really important because we want to continue this idea of that push and pull as we're moving forward from technique to technique. This is key intention. This is the yi that moves the chi, okay? This is really important on a most basic, simplified level. Is just connect to something. Even if there's nobody, there's no target in front of you, you should have that same, you should be thinking and visualizing as if it's there, okay? Now, of course, this is a brush knee technique, so we have to do the brush. The other difference here is we're not going to keep our fan sideways. As we do this, we keep our fan pointing forward the entire time. So we'll make that L shape and then reach forward. L shape, reach forward. And of course, it's not robotic. That can be helpful in the beginning if you're working on this. But again, we want to smooth it out, have good intention in Tai Chi. So let's start with both hands, palm up. Now we're going to start from that third line stance, step forward, extend that front hand to the 45, toes come down, draw your L shape, brush your knee first, then shift forward. We need to clear the path before striking. Okay, okay? So again, start from that corner, down over 1, again, down over 2, down over 3, and then use your body down over 4. Okay, now same thing to the other side. We'll start with palms back. My left leg is forward, so my left hand reaches forward first. Down, over, turning the waist. 1. Down, over, 2. Down, over, 3. Down, over, 4. Your distance should be shoulder to shoulder. So when I'm back here, it's next to in front of my opposite side shoulder. It comes across the body, down, over, and then that straightforward thrust. Now, shifting from stance to stance is not that difficult. So we'll step out, down, over, extend. As I pivot my foot, my upper body moves with it. So right here, as I shift back enough to pivot, my whole torso moves, everything moves together. And then as I step up, my hand stays in this position. I just bring my other hand up, and now I can step out, down, over, and then I can thrust forward again, okay? So we'll start again here, step out. My right foot is out, so my right hand is gonna come across, down, over, and then punch. Think of that connection to the target in front of you. Shift back, keep it out, raise up, step out, down, over, thrust. As I pivot, I turn, and then this hand rotates as I step up and out, down, over, and thrust. Now let's do this with the open fan. The mechanics are going to remain the same, except for now we are going to do less palm up, palm down. After we sweep across, we keep our hand down to the side and extend forward. There's not going to be any kind of rotation before we extend out, okay? It's not like a martial arts punch. The rest of it is pretty much the same. So let's first focus on the base technique. We'll step out. If my left foot is forward, my left hand comes up. My right hand is gonna go palm down, okay? And then, so I have both palms down, both fans pointing forward. Down, over, shift forward, okay? Shifting back, down, over, 2, just bring it back. Palm down, down, over, 3, shifting back, down, over, 4. Okay, same thing to the other side. We have our bow stance. Right foot is out, so my right hand is extended. Left palm is pointing down, across, L shape, shift. Again, L shape, shift. Okay, again, I cross the body, L shape, shift and press. Again, shift forward and press. Now again, same thing, we'll do this walking forward. So if I'm starting from my third line stance, both palms down, step out, cross, L shape, shift, my hand stays out. As I pivot, I elevate it, raise it up to shoulder level, advance, out, down, L shape, and press. Little elevation, step, down, shift, press. Okay, one more time, I'll do it towards this corner. So again, palms down, third line stance. We'll have a slight pivot, step out, down across, shift, little pivot, down across, shift, little pivot, little elevation of the fan, down across, shift and press. Now let's switch between having both fans closed and both fans open for our brush knee and twist step. For our beginning stage, we're just going to do 1 to 1, and then we're going to switch sides so we can even it out. After that, we can start increasing the number, 2 and then 2, 3 and then 3, which is actually going to be a little bit better because every time you alternate, you'll be starting with a different hand. Okay, so we'll start with the closed fans, palm up, third line stance, step out, extend, down, over, press. Now, right here, you want to open up both hands towards the center, extend, palms down, down, over, press. To close, we're going to roll the fans in towards us and then roll downward. Turn the palm, withdraw towards the hip, down, over, press, again towards the inside, open, palms down, down, over, press. Okay, so again, you can see as I'm moving forward from my down, over, press, I open towards the inside, palms down, and then I'm ready for my next technique. And then from here, fans towards me, almost as if I'm going to fan myself, close, and then I can begin the technique again. Now let's do 2 closed, 2 open. Okay, so we'll start again from our third line stance, out to the side, palms we're going to have up, and then extend, step, down, over, 1, palm up as we pivot, step out, down, over, 2. Open the fans up, advance, down, over, 1, small pivot, no change of palm, down, over, 2. Same thing closing, and then we're ready to go again, down, over, and press, and continue from there. All right, so there you have it, a nice and simple way to practice transitioning from open fan to closed fan to maintain that intention as we go from brush knee to brush knee. Now in this video, we predominantly opened for 2 techniques and closed for 2 techniques, so you can explore even more. Try opening for 3 techniques, closing for 3 techniques, or alternating open and closed to really get the hang of doing that while maintaining that same intention throughout the form. If you'd like to see more fan videos, be sure to check out my playlist on the double fan or some of my other playlists on my Tai Chi channel. You can learn everything from the Tai Chi Jian, Tai Chi Saber, Tai Chi Double Saber, Tai Chi Flute, and even Tai Chi Spear. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next.